A touch of magic. Fairy gardens are enchanting. They spark joy. These tiny worlds inspire wonder. You can create your own. Imagine a miniature realm, tiny plants thrive, sparkling fairies dance. It's a place for dreams. Creating a fairy garden is fun. It's easy for all ages. Let's begin our magical journey. Miniature marvels await you in the world of fairy gardening. Choosing your fairy flora is a delightful and crucial step. Selecting the right plants is important to create a magical atmosphere. Small plants are best suited for this enchanting endeavor. They fit perfectly into the miniature landscape, making it look lush and vibrant. These tiny plants create a miniature world of wonder. Look for slow-growing varieties to maintain the scale of your garden. Succulents are perfect for this purpose. They stay small and require minimal maintenance. Their unique shapes and textures add an interesting visual element to your fairy garden, making it look more captivating. Adding texture to your garden is essential for creating depth and interest. Consider incorporating moss into your design. It's soft, green, and thrives in shaded areas. Moss not only adds a lush, velvety texture, but also enhances the overall fairy tale feel of your garden. It's like a natural carpet for your tiny world. To add a magical touch, consider planting herbs. Herbs like thyme or mint bring lovely scents to your garden, making it a sensory delight. They also attract real butterflies, adding a touch of life and movement to your fairy garden. Imagine the joy of seeing butterflies fluttering around your miniature paradise. With the right selection of plants, your fairy garden will feel alive and vibrant. Each plant contributes to the overall magic, creating a harmonious and enchanting space. Your fairy garden will be a miniature haven full of life and wonder, ready to captivate anyone who gazes upon it. Whimsical wonders. Decorating your garden. Decorations add personality. Think miniature. Tiny houses are charming. They create a sense of wonder and delight, making your garden feel like a magical place. Imagine walking through your garden and stumbling upon a tiny village hidden among the flowers and plants. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Little benches invite fairies to rest. Add a tiny path, use pebbles or gravel. It guides the eye. These small details make your garden more inviting and whimsical. The path can lead to different areas of your garden, creating a journey for the viewer. It's not just about the destination, but the adventure along the way. It creates a sense of place. Sparkly elements add magic. Think about adding small mirrors or reflective surfaces. These can catch the sunlight and create dazzling effects, making your garden sparkle and shine. The magic is in the details, and these elements can transform an ordinary garden into an extraordinary one. Use glass beads or glitter. These can be scattered around to mimic fairy dust. They catch the light beautifully and add a touch of enchantment. Imagine the sunlight hitting these sparkly elements and creating a magical glow. It's like having a piece of a fairy tale right in your backyard. Imagine fairy dust sparkling in the sun. Don't forget the fairies. Choose your favorite figures. These can be tiny fairies, gnomes, or other magical creatures. They bring life and character to your garden. Place them in strategic spots where they can be discovered, adding an element of surprise and delight. Place them carefully in your garden. Think about the story you want to tell. Each figure can be part of a larger narrative, creating a whimsical world that invites exploration and imagination. Your garden becomes not just a place to grow plants, but a magical realm where anything is possible. Section 4. Designing your enchanted realm. Choose a container, a pot, a trough, or even an old shoe. The container you select will be the foundation of your enchanted realm. Think creatively and use items that might otherwise be discarded. An old shoe can become a whimsical planter, or a broken pot can be transformed into a magical fairy garden. Make sure it has drainage. Proper drainage is essential to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom, which can lead to root rot. Ensure your container has holes at the bottom to allow excess water to escape. Add potting mix. It should drain well. Use a high-quality potting mix that retains moisture but also allows for good drainage. This will provide the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. This keeps your plants healthy. Healthy roots are the key to a flourishing garden. Well-draining soil ensures that your plants get the right balance of water and air. Plan your layout. Where will the house go? Where will the path lead? Think about the story you want your garden to tell. Will there be a winding path leading to a hidden fairy house? Or perhaps a small pond surrounded by tiny plants? Let your imagination guide you. Use miniature decorations, tiny furniture, and whimsical elements to bring your enchanted realm to life. The more creative you are, the more magical your garden will become. Plant carefully. Leave space between plants. Water gently. Be mindful of the needs of each plant. Some may require more sunlight, while others thrive in the shade. Watering gently ensures that the delicate roots are not disturbed. Your fairy garden is ready for magic. With your careful planning and creative touch, your enchanted realm is now a magical space where fairies can come to play and plants can flourish. Section 5. Your fairy garden awaits. Creating a fairy garden is rewarding. It's a place for imagination. It brings joy to all who see it. Spend time in your garden. Add new elements. Let your creativity bloom. The possibilities are endless. Share the magic. Invite friends to visit. Tell stories about your fairies. Enjoy the wonder you've created.